Hello guys, my name is Jack. I am a river tour guide trainer for Scudamore's punting company, and today I'll be teaching you how to punt on a self-hire with all the different manoeuvres. Starting with positioning, put your feet about shoulder width apart and then turn your body dominant side on. Next we'll be going over how to lift up and lower the pole. Keep both hands on it at all times. Slowly climb your hands down until the bottom is fully out of water. To lower the pole, you can either climb your hands back up or you can just drop it in loosely with your hands around it. To do a left turn, pick up the pole and place it behind you on the left-hand side of the boat. Once you've placed it in, then you can climb your hands up the pole. To turn right, lift up the pole once again, and this time put it out to the right-hand side of the boat. Once in, then you can slowly climb your hands up the pole and push off the end. To do a forwards push, pick up the pole and place it directly behind you on an angle parallel to the boat. Then climb your hands up the pole. If you're struggling to punt straight, you can do what's called a rudder. To do this, lift up the pole, place the bottom of the pole underneath the surface of the water. To turn right, swing the bottom of the pole to your right. And to turn left, swing the bottom of your pole to your left. And finally, to prevent an incoming crash, you can do what's called an emergency stop. Pick up the pole and place it directly in front of you as close to the boat as possible, then either lean down or push hard for a more sudden stop. Now we come to the end of the tutorial. There's a couple rules you need to follow whilst on the river. Make sure you keep your hands inside the boat and off the edges. Don't stand up unless you're swapping with the punter or you're punting yourself. And finally, stick to the right hand side of the river to your best ability during your experience. Have a good trip.